Hello everyone, this video is going to provide you with a brief tutorial on how to submit assignments specifically for essays, which will include file uploads. So this is going to be different than the blogs. If you need to recap on blog and submitting assignments, be sure to watch that video. But for this one, these will require a file upload. So what this means is that as you see here, you have essay number 4 and you'll have all the essays that will require a file upload of sorts. And so as you scroll down to the bottom, much like the blog post, you'll see an opportunity to submit your assignment. Now I'm going to walk you through that process. Let's say, for instance, that we are working with our document in Microsoft Word. We're all finished. We're ready to go. We have our official format. And regarding official MLA format, be sure to watch the videos that provide you with step-by-step information regarding on how to do that. But for the sake of this video, we're going to say that we've finished our essay and we're ready to save. So we're going to hit File. We're going to go to Save As. We're going to find a location. If you're working at school, you'll use your OneDrive account. But for me, I generally just put things on my desktop when I'm uploading because they're just easier to find. So I'm going to click on Desktop here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to label this essay number 4. And that way I could save it and I know where it's located easily. So I'm going to close out my Microsoft Word since I saved it already. Make sure it is saved. You have a couple of options of how to upload this file. So you can click on this box here with the image and you'll look for your essay 4. Here it is. And then I'm going to hit Open. And then it's going to upload the file for you there. Okay, you'll see that the green check, it's all ready to go. And then you'll just click on Submit Assignment, and then you will have your file uploaded, and that will come to me. Let's say that you made a mistake or an error, or you needed to go back and fix something and you wanted to go back and resubmit. You're always welcome to do that. Doesn't lock you in as long as it's done before the official due date. So you'll see your paper is going to be submitted there, and you'll have confirmation that it was actually sent to me. But let's say you're going to hit try again. Through this process, I'm going to show you the other way that you can submit assignments. So you can actually drag the file from your desktop. So let's say, for example, this. And so I have the availability here. I'm going to move it. And I see that my essay is located here, so I can just drag it and put it here if I want to. Now, that's a little bit more complicated, but in the instance that you have set up like that, then you can have that completed, and then you'll just hit Submit Assignment again, and then you'll have the confirmation that you need. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, or if there is a file issue, then I will reach out to you and contact you. But for the most part, most files are accepted. If you are working with Google Docs, there is an option to transform that into a Microsoft Word document, and I'll walk you through that process as well. Or if you want to send me the link, you're always welcome to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.